Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about shouldn't have with past participle. As you can see, the structure is subject, like he, she, or whoever your subject is, and then should, not, have, and past participle. By past participle, I mean the third form of the verb. For example, if I say eat, ate, and eaten, past participle is eaten. So we use the third part. For example, I shouldn't have eaten so much cake yesterday. We use this structure to talk about regrets when we feel sorry about something we've done and we wish we hadn't done it. For example, I shouldn't have eaten so much cake. This means that I have. This means that yesterday I ate too much cake, and this was a mistake. Now I feel sick. Another example, they shouldn't have trusted him with their money. This means that they trusted him, and this was a mistake. They shouldn't have trusted him. Another example for you, she shouldn't have skipped so many classes. Now she can't catch up. This means that so far she's skipped so many classes, and this is wrong. She shouldn't have done that. Another example for you, he shouldn't have spoken to her like that. It was very disrespectful. This means that he spoke disrespectfully, and this wasn't a good idea. This was a mistake. He shouldn't have done that. Another example is you shouldn't have waited until the last minute to start your homework. This means that you started your homework at the last minute. You started your homework at the last minute, and this wasn't a good idea. You should have started earlier. Now, let's go ahead and practice. I do have some situations here. Try to use shouldn't have or should have to make a sentence. For example, you missed a great sale because you didn't go shopping. Here, the sentence would be you should have gone shopping. You should have gone shopping, or you shouldn't have missed the sale. Another example for you. You're feeling unwell because you didn't get enough sleep last night. I'll give you 1 minute to do it yourself. So here, the mistake is that you didn't get enough sleep last night. So the sentence would be, you should have gone to bed earlier. This is one option. You should have gone to bed earlier. Or you can say, you shouldn't have slept late. Or you shouldn't have stayed up late. You shouldn't have stayed up late. That would be like another option for you. Let's go ahead with next one. You failed the test because you didn't study. I'll give you 1 minute to do that yourself. So here, the mistake is that you didn't study enough. So the sentence would be, you should have studied more. Perfect. Let's go ahead. You missed your flight because you left home late. You gotta make a sentence using should with have with past participle, or you could use negative form, should plus not have and past participle. I'll give you 1 minute. If you haven't finished, for sure, you can pause, feel free, allow yourself more time to work on the sentence. But if you're ready, then let's go. Here, the mistake is that you left home late. The sentence would be, you shouldn't have left late. You shouldn't have left home late. If you need more practice, no worries. I have 2 more examples for you. Let's just dive in. You forgot to bring an umbrella. Now it's raining heavily. Go ahead. Here the mistake is that you forgot to bring an umbrella. Go ahead, write down a sentence. I'll give you 1 minute. So the sentence would be, you shouldn't have forgotten your umbrella. Let's go ahead with the last one. You didn't save enough money. That was your mistake. And now you're facing unexpected expenses. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, the sentence would be, you should have saved more. Another option would be, you shouldn't have spent all your money. You shouldn't have spent a lot. Both sentences are true. So to wrap up, we use shouldn't have and also should have to talk about regrets and mistakes in the past. I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget to just put a comment, subscribe. I hope to see you next time.